How to track orders on Temu. Now, this is very simple. But first, there's actually two ways for you to be able to do this whole process. But first, you can actually download Temu application via the Google Play Store or Apple Store on iOS devices. Now, in this method, I'm going to be showing you the same process, neither which sides you're using. But just simply go into Temu.com's official site and make sure that you logged in into your Temu account so you can track your order. So let's just go ahead and log in first. Now, once you've successfully logged in into your Temu account, it's going to be different than what you're going to be seeing on the application, but it's pretty much actually the same. Hover your mouse from orders and account and then go into your orders. Now, this is where all your order history will show up if it is processing, if it has already been shipped, delivered, or returned. This is where you can also track your order if it was already been delivered or check the current status of your order. So again, this is where you can track your orders. And that's basically it. That's how you track orders on your Timo account.